Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Odemos. I am 20 years old and 21 when you will see this video. In a couple minutes you will thank me for making it. Little disclaimer, yes, I do have an accent. I am French. As you read in the title, in this video I will lay out for you how I managed to have the best of Dubai for 10 days in less than 900 euros. I will show you my tips and tricks so you can do it too. And in the second part of this video, I will show you my Dubai vlog, which will hopefully inspire you and give you some ideas. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button. My birthday was on Wednesday, so the best gift you could give me is to share this video and share my social, which are probably somewhere on the screen, to your families and friends. And yeah, anyway, let's get into it. The first point is to plan ahead. This is the first advice I would give. I don't think it's necessary to plan your full itinerary. I'm talking about answering questions like, when do you want to go? Who do you want to go with? Where do you even want to go? What is your budget? It allows you to put your mind into it, start to get excited, start to find stuff online, etc., and know what to expect. What I've personally done with my friend is start answering all of these questions around August for a trip that happened in June, but we actually only started to book stuff in December. So I don't think it's necessary to plan every single detail to the T years before, but I think for this kind of holiday, maybe like 5 to 6 months in advance, so you have the time to manage everything and plan everything correctly without stress. The second point is set a budget. Do not wait for your full itinerary to set your budget. Within a group of friends, there's always different wallet and different budget. It's totally normal. So set yours and then discuss it with your friend to make it even and fair for everyone, so everyone is just able to enjoy the same stuff during the holiday. And it's also a way to realize for some of your friends that maybe this is not the right time for them to go to. Now, this point might seem logic to a lot of people, but believe me, it really isn't. So I would say be smart about your budgeting. So create a margin, set your budget lower than what you can actually afford, so you're sure that when you come back from your holiday, you have food on the table. You know that you can eat for the next 2 weeks at least. Know when your next payroll is, so you know that you won't be under stress and you won't feel like you spent all of your money on holiday. It's completely unnecessary. Then set your budget early, so you have a saving plan. Divide your budget by the amount of month you have left up until your holiday, so you know exactly how much money you have to save every single month for you to be able to reach your goal. What I've done is working 2 jobs for 6 weeks, and then I saved 50% of it for the trip and the other 50% for the stuff I had to buy for the trip to prepare myself. Now the third point is to adapt your program to your budget. So the main thing is to find popular and trusted websites to plan your itinerary. So first, for hotel, we personally booked everything on booking.com. What you can do on this website is filter a hotel by those who allow you to pay on your arrival, so you don't have to stress about this money up until you arrive. You have more time to save it. Always be prepared to pay extra charges that they don't necessarily show on the website, or they will tell you that there's no extra charges, but the thing in Dubai is that they have taxes on hotel of 10% that you will have to pay anyway at your arrival, so be prepared for that. So in the vlog you'll find videos and pictures of the hotel we booked with their prices and review, but just so you know, for 8 nights and 2 different hotels we paid £332, which I think is pretty cheap. If you will see the qualities of the hotel and you see that that's extremely cheap for it. So the first hotel was one of the 10th highest hotel in the world, and the second was a luxurious resort. Like it was amazing, but you will see anyway. So now for your activities, it's the exact same principle. Go to trusted and popular website like Get Your Guide, Mes Voyages à Dubai, all of these websites, like, you know, those big websites with big prices. Like, go to that, pick all of your favorite activities regardless of the price, but do not book anything. Do not book anything. Now, once you have the list of activities that you are interested in, just go to website like Viator or Groupon, and you will find the exact same activities for 20% up to 50% off of the price. Like, it's crazy, but it's really worth it, because at the end of the day, you'll get the exact same service for half the price. So with my friend, we went to the desert, we went to Abu Dhabi, we did some jet ski, we went to some high-end shisha bar, and all of that for like what, 120 euros, which is extremely cheap, because everything was between 15 euros and 38 euros, just because we took it on these type of websites. For the food, the prices are quite similar to French restaurants and French bistro and stuff like that, but then again, on Viator and Groupon, you can find half of the prices, 70% of the prices, or deal for two. So again, look at these websites, because you'll get prestigious restaurant for almost nothing. To be honest, with my friend, we didn't eat that much, and that's probably where we saved the most amount of money, but it's just so hot, like, you're actually not that hungry. But in markets, like shop markets and stuff, like, the food is not expensive at all. It's actually extremely cheap. The thing you have to know about Dubai is that since it's quite a recent country, it's constantly evolving. They're constantly building new stuff, new restaurant, new shops, new this, new that. So like, they will always need to create deals to attract tourists to them and reach their number. So you'll always find something on Google. The fourth point is my favorite, is to plan your itinerary. So plan your itinerary day by day, and make sure you have time to rest and time to walk around the city, visit malls and stuff, because first of all, it's totally free, and second of all, it's definitely worth it. Like, you have to do it. And for example, for Dubai Mall, we went there maybe like 2 or 3 times, and we still didn't finish it. It's so big. So yeah, definitely leave time for that. The fifth and last point is to get ready to enjoy your holidays. I'll do another video on all of my holidays essentials, etc. But comment down below your favorite one. So these were my tips and tricks to travel to Dubai on a restricted budget. Please put some thumbs up if you thought that this video was helpful. And now let's see what Dubai is about in this vlog. l'hôpital parce qu'on s'est fait foncer dedans par un autre jet ski d'un autre groupe de filles qu'on connaît pas.
Hey, ça fait chic. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. Je voudrais remercier mon père,
Souffle.
ma mère.
Elle souffle.
Je voulais remercier
Aurélie.
aussi tous mes frères et sœurs.
C'est même pas ton anniversaire. Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday to me. Faites un vœu.
Clap, 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 clap.
Of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Put a thumb up if you think that Dubai will see you one day, and let me know in the comments what part of the vlog you can't wait to do yourself. Bye guys, and see you soon for more videos.